Cameraman here, folks. We're in a junkyard here down at the Iron Triangle. Of course, we have Stuntman over here. And we have our very good friend, Junkman, working the forklift. He's gonna pick up this Honda Civic. One of you neutral droppers suggested we put some milk in the motor to see how it runs on milk. We'll try and make a little milkshake here. Gonna pick it on up. We're gonna put this bad boy in the air. And then Stuntman's gonna get under it, drain the oil, fill it up with some delicious, nutritious milk. Now, don't forget, we're not dumb over here. We're not putting skim milk in there, whole milk only. Skim milk would never work, folks. Never. Alrighty. Lifting it up so Stuntman can get under there. Of course, we're safety conscious. If it does fall, it's gonna land on this benzola. And everything will be just perfect, folks. All right, folks. Stuntman's got a wrench in his hand. This should be good. Junkman, what do you think? Let's hear your take on it.
Does he know how to use the ratchet?
I don't know. I know he's got hit in the head with a ratchet before.
Yeah, well, there he goes. He's got it.
Hold on. Not bad.
Counterclockwise, right? Counterclockwise?
Yep.
As you guys stand around, nobody fucking
Lefty
helps.
loosey, no righty tighty.
Yeah, just hold on a second.
Don't get your hands all dirty. Oh, nice.
All right.
I'm
as
impressed.
You notice, I'm draining the oil. There's no bullshit here. All the oil's going down.
Let's see, hold on.
Down the tube.
He ain't lying, folks.
Okay?
Look at that straight pipe. This was gonna be a fast one, folks. Look at
Yeah.
that performance.
Gonna run this thing on milk.
Performance enhanced. Woo.
Junkman, do you approve
Chubby
of whole
Bubba?
milk or skim milk?
I think you should try whole milk. But
You're
guys,
doing whole milk.
Does
My
that-
mother didn't raise a dummy.
That's right.
Whole
Whole
milk
milk.
is nice and heavy. You could use it in a diesel.
Almost. We're
My
almost
arm,
there.
I hope so, because my arms are getting fatigued.
His front delts are getting pumped,
As
everyone.
you guys stand around,
Remember SpongeBob when he only worked his arms?
Yeah,
I've got the
holding a
whole-
camera.
He had the
Yeah,
inflatable
thanks.
arms. That's what he's gonna look
Thanks,
like in a few
Junkman.
minutes.
He's got the freaking pet cock.
He's holding the bolt.
Yeah. Don't hurt yourself.
Between the three of us, I think we can make this happen, folks.
Yeah.
It's got to be a better way to make a milkshake.
Yeah,
Absolutely
I'll
not.
give you a way. Go to Carvel
Hold on,
or
folks.
Dairy Queen.
We'll be right back after these
Depends
brief
on where you
messages.
are.
All right, we got Junkman helping out. He's gonna close up the cap on the oil.
A little more of an angle.
That's what my wife says.
Yeah, yeah. That's what she said. A lot of you guys thought I missed that one last video.
Nah, I missed that one on the last video.
I'm making fun
I
of
gave
you.
it to the
think
neutral
it-
droppers. I said they're all gonna put it in there. And of course, how many people typed in? That's what
All right,
she
you
said.
know what, Junkman?
Hold on.
There we go. I got it.
You got it?
Come here, Ratchet. Come here, Ratchet.
You have 2 kids, you can't get it in?
They look like the milkman.
All right, folks.
I don't want you to hurt yourself.
I'm dirty now. Let me
Look
clean
at
this
Now we're
up.
closing
His
it
hands are
back
all
up.
filthy.
We have an empty crankcase, everybody. Okay? Empty. Show them.
Yeah, you see all that residue?
And I get all dirty.
And of course, cameraman stays clean.
Hold on, I'm putting 17 pounds of pressure. Boop, done. All right.
All right, folks. Now we're gonna drop it down and add the milk.
Drop it down. and
Junkman, get busy. All right, Junkman's gonna drop it down. Then Stuntman is gonna put some oil in it. But not oil. He's gonna put the milk in there for the milkshake, folks. It's gonna be delicious. We're gonna sell these out front. They're all gonna love it. Precision forklift operator. He does not play. Junkman's been in the business before he could drive. Probably before he could walk, he's been in the business.
That's it.
Forever and ever and ever.
I learned how to drive a 1948 Ford boom truck.
A Ford boom truck, and it wasn't in 1948, but it was a 48.
No, it was probably 1978.
All right, there you go. We're the same age, me and Junkman.
Old man, old man.
And he's a lot more younger than us. By about a year. Alrighty, cap off.
I want everyone to see that it runs. It's a running vehicle. Although
Alright, back
now
up,
it's got no
Junkman,
Earl.
because
It's got no Earl right
there's gonna be some residue coming out there. I'm gonna guess. Now let's do a little walk around on the car. We got a 4-banger Civic, okay? Hubcaps, and everybody knows what those are, right? Those are the roly-polies, everybody. And look at that, a perfectly good title on the floor. And this is what I live by, cash only. Mileage. Hold on, everyone. I want everyone to yell at me. Look, it's only got 24,000 miles. What are we, crazy? Oh, that's 240. Does it even have AC? Oh, lucky enough to have air conditioning. Maybe I'll have Stuntman put the AC on while he makes a milkshake for us. Where's he off to? Wait a second. Why is he getting a chain? Why is Stuntman getting a chain? Oh. This is gonna be special, guys. We'll be right back. All right, folks, you may be wondering what Stuntman's up to over there. All right? He's got this mechanism here that he filled up with Clorox. And you know what kind of burnout we're gonna get out of this thing, folks.
Are you Stuntman or Billy the Exterminator?
I do a little bit of both, Junkman.
Alrighty. He's moistening up the tires.
Not only are we gonna make
How
this
about the
thing-
other side?
Not only we're gonna make it run on whole milk, but we're also doing a chain up burnout to really put the motor to the test and to really put the myth to the test that you can make your car run on whole milk.
Everyone's been talking about this lately. It's been the craze. You don't have to change your milk for 15,000 miles, I heard.
I would have used half and half.
You would have half and halved it?
Now, half and half, if you got a little engine noise, is when you put half and half in to quiet it
Oh,
down.
you put that in a diesel.
The
And
diesels
diesel.
run half and half.
All right, folks, here we go. A little milk.
You got a funnel or no?
Who needs a funnel?
Who needs a funnel? This
When
kid.
you have the hands of a surgeon. I'm not even looking. I'm not even
All right,
looking.
look. Try looking. You know how many bowls of Cheerios this kid's made in his life?
Yeah, look like
Not even looking.
Wow. Oh, he's good.
You
Look.
look like my son pouring a glass of milk in the morning.
That's it, right? His son's 6.5.
I'm talking about the 16-year-old.
Oh, all right. Even better.
There you go.
Fuck off!
What? We got a loudmouth over there.
1 gallon down. Behind the back.
Hey.
Gallon number 2. Wait a second. How many quarts does this thing take? 4?
Wipe your mouth. Wipe your
How many quarts does this
Wipe
thing
your
take?
mouth.
What's wrong with my mouth?
I don't even know how many quarts. Go.
Do a little
Yeah,
bit.
all right.
Yeah.
Believe me, I ain't gonna see some white shit on this mouth. Believe me. Okay, believe me.
I'll tell you that right now.
That good you don't dribble?
Yeah. Funny guy, Junkman.
That's good, Junkman.
Here we go. All right, so maybe we're putting about double the amount of oil she's supposed to have.
But it's milk. It's fine.
It's milk.
You know how strong the bones on this thing are going to be?
Forget about it. No osteoporosis on this Honda.
White teeth.
So normally it takes 4 quarts of oil, but now it's got 8 quarts of milk.
8 quarts of milk, everybody. That's
That's
how
everyone
we do it.
knows you put 8 quarts. You double the milk. Milk to oil. It's a double ratio. And
Hey, everybody, as usual, get your stop watches out. I got mine. We're gonna see it.
We gonna close the
No,
cap?
No, you don't close it up. You don't close it up.
Junkman.
The hell's wrong with you?
Junkman. You don't close it. He's new at this.
Let me tell you something. Sounds good.
It's purring, guys.
Look, you're making a milkshake. It's chocolate.
Wait a second. Wait. It's chocolating it up. Did you put cocoa in there?
No. It's like Starbucks when they mix your coffee.
Yes.
It looks like coffee. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Fucking Mr. Soft. Monster.
ice cream man's in town, folks.
Did you not see the no smoking sign?
No smoking. How's it going, Stunt?
All right, she just shut down.
Is the milk not working? These guys are hardcore. Guys, you're gonna die. All right, let's see what happened here.
A little bit of a mess. 2 gallons may have been too much. All right, let's get it started back on.
Oh, boy.
Oh, shit!
Stuntman. He looks like he's on fire.
Hold on, I lost power. Let me get a boost.
Oh. Wow, this thing's a smoking, folks.
Really?
I love the smoke. It just doesn't stop.
Hold on!
Stuntman's gonna get it going again. She stalled on us, folks. We gotta run it again. She's choo-choo training out. What's it got, Stuntman? Look at that, folks. He's choo-choo training it. Stop the junkyard, folks! You gotta love it, folks. The motor will not give in, folks. It looks like that Christmas special with the train. You gotta love a Honda, folks. The milk experiment, folks. Wow. All right, so I got one thing to say.
So do I. It smells like my wife's cooking.
All right, what do you have to say, Stunt?
We should have did half and half. It
I'm
would've
gonna
lasted
say
with half and half.
I'm gonna say a cup of half and half.
Little cup of half. Maybe we should have shoved cookies in there too. Little half and half, a little cookies. Junkman, what do you have to say?
You could do that for Christmas, milk and cookies for Santa.
That's correct.
You got to do a red Civic.
That's right. A red Civic with like maybe green rims, green pinstripe. Put the cookies in there. When Santa Claus gets to your house and he's all hungry, he's giving all these little kids their toys.
All right,
He's gonna be
everyone.
hungry.
All right, he's excited about this. He loves Christmas. I hate Christmas personally. It's around my birthday. I'm not happy about it. Anyway, everybody, like, comment, subscribe. We tried the milk. And I don't know, man.
Junkman, any last words?